In today's 1-minute violin lesson, we are talking about sautille. What is sautille? Sautille is a bow stroke that sounds like spiccato, but it's not a spiccato. You see, sautille starts out as a détaché stroke. Now, when you start playing faster and faster, but you keep your bow in a very specific point, then your bow starts to bounce. Let me show you. Fascinating, right? It sounds like it's off the string, but actually, when you look at this closely, all the bow changes are happening on the string. That makes it a lot easier to execute string crossings and keeping a very, very good rhythm. If you would like to find out more about spiccato, well then, check out my next violin lesson on that subject. See you there.